Today, I'm going to show you how to create a GIF from any video that you want. Let's jump in. So we're going to be doing this on the desktop, but there is a mobile app version. So if you have the video on your phone and you want to do it that way, that's certainly an option. But we're going to head over to Giphy.com. I'll also put a link in the description, so you can just click on that and head right over there. And this is a great website. I mean, there's tons of GIFs that are already built into this. You could search for different ones. You can look through different categories and utilize them all from here. But there's also an option to create your own. But first, we do need to sign up for a free account. So we're just going to hit the login button here, switch that over to sign up, and that's it. It just takes a few minutes to set up a free account, and then you're all set. On the phone version, you don't have to set up an account to create a GIF. It makes it a little bit easier, but I'm going to show you on the desktop just so that it has a bigger screen to see what we're doing here. All right, then from your main page, you just want to head up here to create. All right, and then from here, you just want to go to the GIF section, click choose file, select the file that you want to create the GIF from, click open. And so then you just take your video and you just trim it to what you want. I've got a couple of different options here. We're going to go with this one, kind of move over and present right there. So you can see exactly what that's going to look like from a visual standpoint. Click continue. All right, and then from here, first what we're going to do is we're going to go to the crop, which is here, the little two lines that way. And here you can change the aspect ratio. You can either leave it the same. I always like making them square just so that they fit in a variety of places. And you can move this around depending on how you want that to lay out. I just want it to be just like that. And then you can add some text, and you got some different options in there. I'm going to use that big one. And then you just click on the plus button to add it. And then we'll put it right in here, right where my hands go. You can click on that side to kind of make it, resize it how you want. Create the outline to it however you want. And then over here, you can adjust the time of it. So you can change where it comes into the video. We want it to come in after I kind of present, right about there, maybe a little later. There we go. That looks about right. And you can add more text if you'd like. And then you can click on this next button here for some stickers if you want to add some stickers to it. And let me just scroll through here. You could obviously search and find different ones. We're just going to look at the trending ones, see if there's anything that I really like. How about this one here? And this also is resizable. So if you click on that corner, you can kind of resize that. So I'll have that just right up here in the corner. Just below that, you can add some filters. Maybe we want to do a little VHS effect. Got groovy, that's kind of fun. And so you could lower the intensity. So maybe we want to do just a little bit of wave to it. And then on this layers button, you can adjust the layers this way as well. So you can bring those in, come in later, however you want that. You can really kind of fine tune it a little bit better that way. And then once it is the way that you want it, you just click on continue to upload. First, you can change whether that's public or private. I'm just going to make that one private. And then you can add some tags in there so that it's a little bit easier to find. I'm just going to call this big sale. And then you can also add it to a collection. I'm not going to worry about doing that right now. And then you just click upload to Giphy. Just takes a few minutes to upload here. And there you go. Now you can just download it here to be able to download it to post and put wherever you want. And then it's in your collection so that if we go back to our account here, and you can see it lives right here so that it's available whenever you need it. You can create the collections, kind of organize them as you need to. And with that, you've now created your own GIF using your video. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.